I'll start with you, Alex. Where are you seeing value at the moment?
So we briefly touch on it. So we do like Sibanye. We are very constructive on the PGM space, and we think gold will at the very least probably hold. And I don't think Sibanye reflects the spot prices at all. And also, if you compare Sibanye on a relative basis to something like Impala, we think there's a big disconnect. The reason for that is we think a lot of the fund managers in South Africa has been buying the niche specialist players, like if you're on PGMs, you buy Impala directly, and are reluctant buyers of a company like Sibanye because of the track record historically when it comes to corporate action. We think that's now in the past. They're going to have a capital markets day soon, and we think that could be seen as very positive, and we see it as a good entry point at the moment, and as also Roy said earlier, a very leveraged play on the PGMs as well as gold. So we've certainly not a buy and hold stock, but we do like it over the short term.
And what are you picking, Roy?
So I like Bidcorp. I think it's been sold off on two accounts. First of all, the stronger rand, and because most of its earnings are in hard currencies, as the rand becomes stronger, it looks less impressive from an earnings perspective, purely because of the translation impact. And then the whole idea that inflation is a lot lower globally, so maybe eating out might not be the thing that people in developed markets do. I think this is a business that earns an ROE ahead of its cost of capital very consistently. They've got a very solid balance sheet, very little debt. They've got a big global presence and they continue to grow. So if you look at them in constant currencies, they probably look a whole lot better than what the market is saying right now. And the current trading multiple is as low as it's been. So this is one of those sorts of businesses. You get in at this 14, 15 times multiple and hold through the cycle, you probably will be able to benefit from the compounding effect of management's efforts and the slow growth in earnings, which will drive the re-rating over time. So I think that's where you see quite a significant opportunity.
Gents, thanks so much for your time and sharing your insights with us this afternoon. That was Roy Mutooni from Sanlam Investments and Alex Dace from Umthombo Wealth. Do remember that Stockwatch pre-records on a Monday and Wednesday at 1 p.m. and is live at 6:30 p.m. on a Tuesday and Thursday, while Stockwatch this week is live at 12:30 on Fridays. Keep that in mind and keep your questions coming. For now, that's all from Stockwatch this week, but do stay tuned to lots more coming up right here on Business Day TV.